Welcome to the Quizzers. Are you ready for the toughest decisions of your life? Then let's play Would You Rather Hardest Choices Ever. If you're new here, subscribe to our channel for more games just like this. Let's start. Would you rather lose a nail or lose a tooth? Would you rather stop a burning train or save a cat? Would you rather get lemon in your eye or break a finger? Would you rather climb a mountain or go bungee jumping? Would you rather be on a ladder or be in a boat? Would you rather spend the night here or like the video? Would you rather save a puppy or save a baby? Would you rather explore space or explore the ocean? Would you rather have a fly buzzing around you or have a mosquito buzzing around you? Would you rather never cut your nails again or never wash your hair again? Would you rather walk on a tightrope or walk on hot coals? Would you rather use these toilets or use those toilets? Would you rather never be angry again or never be sad again? Would you rather walk backward forever or always walk barefoot? Would you rather visit hell or visit heaven? Would you rather never celebrate your birthday again or write your birthday in the comments? Would you rather have artificial intelligence control the world or live in a world without technology? Would you rather have more time or more money? Would you rather walk barefoot on burning sand or walk barefoot on rocks? Would you rather freeze everything you touch or burn everything you touch? Would you rather eat only leftovers or eat only cold dishes? Would you rather have a big laugh or never laugh again? Would you rather be able to teleport or control time? Would you rather go to school in this car or go to school on this bike? Would you rather eat only burgers or eat only tacos? Would you rather be a police officer or be a firefighter? Would you rather be on a boat during a storm or be on a plane during a storm? Would you rather no longer have internet access or lose a finger? Would you rather swim with sharks or swim with turtles? Would you rather sleep in a treehouse or sleep in a mountain cabin? Would you rather live in Antarctica or live in the Sahara? Would you rather spend 5 years in prison or spend 5 years in a coma? Would you rather join a group or survive alone? Would you rather live without food or live without electricity? Would you rather eat insects to survive or eat plants to survive? Would you rather never watch Netflix again or never listen to music again? Would you rather live in a world without color or live in a world without sound? Would you rather sleep in prison or sleep in the basement? Would you rather break a leg or be attacked by bees? Would you rather be the best at all sports or master all musical instruments? Would you rather have these eyebrows or have these nails? Would you rather see a dinosaur or see an alien? Would you rather experience a flood or experience an earthquake? Would you rather have drinking water or have internet? Would you rather have a compass or have a map? Would you rather save your family or save humanity? Would you rather face a tsunami or face a tornado? Pick your next challenge and make sure to like and subscribe.